There's a fish. I got one. Good one. Good one. That's a good one. Fish. Oh, slow down, dude. That's a decent one for sure. Oh my gosh, that's a good one. That's like a 4-pounder. Oh shit! Yo, dude. Yo. I cannot wait for that tatsula to get here so I can stop throwing this old lose.
Yeah. Now imagine if we had a Daiwa and Dobbin spot.
Oh. Yep. Get the net. Feels like a decent one. That's a decent one for sure. Oh my gosh, that's a good one. That's like a 4-pounder. Ooh, buddy.
Yeah, he's about 2.
I lied. No, that's a 3. That's a 3.
Oh yeah, he is. Nice.
Dude. Yes, baby. Start filling that live well up, please. Oh my gosh, it came off in the net. Got it? All right. Yeah.
That one.
Let's go, dude. Dude, that is a good one. Yes. I know it's obvious, but I'm really hyped right now. I'm really hyped right now.
Yeah. Unless you're just like a 9.
Oh, that was fantastic. There we go, right in the corner. Right where Big Bertha is at. All right, we can't fish this beach. We gotta bounce. Oh, let me hit that bush up. Got one.
Ding.
Okay.
Think you got 15?
It has to be over 12. Hey, fish number 2 though, that's good. Let's flip the base of this tree. Bro, those branches can feel so much like bites. Yes, is the answer. Almost.
That's a nice stuff.
Did you see that boil?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, he might go 12.
He's definitely gonna go. Oh, slow down, dude.
The fish was going ultra speed.
Bro, we both called that.
I was like, we both saw it at the boil. I was like, oh,
Here,
my
do you wanna...
Wacky's not there anymore.
Yeah. I was like, did you see that boil? What the heck was that?
Yeah.
Boom, fish on. That'll go 12. That'll go 12, yeah. That'll go 12.
Scale him anyway.
Yeah, for sure. Here, this one's easier to see. Hold him up to that guy. Bring him up close. He's gonna go 12. Oh, for sure, dude. Just put your hand, there you go. That's 12.
Yeah.
That's 12. Dude, all right. Hey, that's not big, but whoa. Hey, nice job, dude. What do you mean something? You act like it's not a good fish.
No, it is.
Any fish in the live well is a good fish.
Exactly.
I don't know how much longer I'm gonna keep throwing this white bait.
Yeah.
I might switch back to the black and blue. That's what color your Wacky rig is, right?
Yep, black and blue.
think once I fish out this cove, I'll probably switch. You steal that fish from what? Bite, 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 bite. Bite. Yep. I don't feel it still. I don't think it's on there anymore. No, it is. Oh. No. That was a fish. I waited for it and I felt it again. Oh. Oh, I'm like insanely knotted.
What happened?
I'm just like a giant knot. Dude, I don't know. There's no wind anymore. I don't feel confident. I'm switching to a chatterbait.
Yeah. Shoot. Are you gonna switch to a chatterbait? Because I was just about to pick up a chatterbait.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna switch to a chatterbait.
Okay.
Do it if you want. I don't care. I just What is it? Oh no, I want to throw this one.
Okay.
I like this color better.
Okay.
Maybe a dumb thing to switch lures with only 30 minutes left, but I have no confidence with a spinnerbait, but with no wind, I just don't think that's it.
Yeah, and like very little sun.
Yeah, I don't think that's it. Yeah, exactly. You want that flashing blade. Oh my God. I'll just keep blaming that on them. I can't see it. That's my excuse. There's a fish. I got one. Good one. Good one. That's a good one. Oh, that's a 2. That's got to be a 2. No, pound and 3/4.
We'll take it. No,
Yes!
nonetheless, we'll take it.
Yes, the last minute switch the chatterbait pays off. Look how bad he wanted that. Look how bad he wanted that. Yeah, 3 fish, baby. Super long shot, but we could get 3rd place or something.
Yeah.
Oh my!
One more, and then I'll say we stand a good chance.
Gosh, oh, it came out so easy. Look at that, boys and girls. First fish on the Thunder Cricket. Love you. Oh shit! Yo, dude, yo! Your fish just jumped out.
Oh my God.
Yo, great. Oh my God, I got that on camera. Love you. Oh shit! Yo, dude. What if that would have went back in the lake?
Oh, I would have been so sad.
I would have cried.
Been so sad.
I'm gonna put a little more water in because we got 3 of them now. Bro, he went straight for the edge. No, you went jumping out again, you little shiesty guy. That's enough water for him. Let's go, dude. Hey, that last minute adjustment, take the spinnerbait off, put it on the chatterbait. He bit about halfway. I didn't announce it right away because I was halfway sure it was a stick and I didn't want to look like an idiot.
Yeah.
Fish. Oh, I'm a dumbass. I'm an idiot. I thought it was a fish because it moved, but it's a freaking log.
You're good, you're good.
Like I felt it come towards me and I'm like, oh shit, it's a big one. That's a tree pounder, boys and girls.
That is indeed a tree pounder.
That's a big tree pounder.
Oh, it's 3.5.
That's the worst when they move towards you and you think it's a fish. I'm gonna leave that in the video. Look at those. Oh yeah.
What number?
5?
5.
What's the weight to beat right now?
Don't know. You come in Hamilton?
Yep.
9 something.
9 something. We don't got that.
Nice one. Just another 3 pounder.
Hopefully 3.
Yeah, it's 296.
296, close enough. All right.
I call him a 3.
Yeah,
Fisherman.
that's what I'll post on the
I'm a
internet.
fisherman.
I'll tell people it was 3.
3 pounds.
Yeah,
3
right?
fish, I think. Right? 3 fish. 3 fish. Yeah.
What do we got?
Of 585.
All right, we said 6. That's pretty close. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
14.
All right, well. All right, buddy, good luck.
Can you tilt my camera down a little bit? Just a tiny bit. That's good, thank you. All right, see you, fish.